here. And what we have is 2x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals p multiplied by x plus q squared plus r. X plus q squared means x plus q by x plus q. I'm going to multiply that out. So it's going to be p times x squared plus qx plus another qx plus q squared. Going to multiply in by p. Now that makes 2qx. Would you agree with that in the middle? Multiply by p. We get px squared plus 2pqx plus pq squared. Now this is algebra identity, which means both sides are balanced. So essentially the x squares are balanced, so that one is the same as that one. Then we have the 5x there, that's the same as the 2pqx. And then finally the 6 is the same as pq squared. You have three equations, and you can, which is the easiest one? P must equal, why is p equal to 2? Because px squared equals 2x squared, right? That makes things easy. Now you have a choice between the other two. You can use 2pq for the pink one equals 5. You can do that one if you want. And then we replace p with 2, so it's 2 times q equals 5. Equals 5. 4q equals 5. Q equals 5 over 4. You also could have done pq squared if you wanted, where it's 2q squared. See the way we replaced the p with everybody see that? We replaced the p with so we replace q squared there, and that will equal, what's that equal? 6, is it? pq squared equals 6. Oh, that's an r. Sorry, my fault. Excuse me. There's an r there, isn't there? It's pq squared plus r. So the yellow part, which is this part here, so it's 2 times, it's going to be pq squared plus r. Has to be equal to 6. 2 times 5 over 4 squared plus r equals 6. This implies that r equals 6. Take away 2 times 5 over 4 squared. What's that in your calculator? (23/8). All good? All right, question. So we square out x minus n by x minus n, and we should get x squared minus nm minus nm plus n squared. Don't forget your other m. That should be the same as x squared minus 2nm plus n squared to take away m. Then you have x squared minus 4x minus 5. Now, x squared equals x squared. It's a no-brainer. The minus 4x equals minus 2nm. I also forgot the x, didn't I? There should be an x there. Oh wait, I made a mistake. Sorry guys, I made a mistake there. It's just nx, isn't it? Not nm. So it's n times x, which is nx. That's another nx, which makes that minus 2nx. So my fault. So what does that mean? Minus 4x equals minus 2nx. So what does that mean about n? Cross off the x's, multiply both sides by minus. N equals 2. Okay, next one. Minus 5 is the same as n squared minus m. So what do you think? n squared minus m equals minus 5. So what can I change n out for? 2 squared minus m equals minus 5. So then what? 4 minus m equals minus 5. Bring it under and over, and then what you get? 4 plus 5 equals m, 9 equals m. All right? Now, okay. Any questions? Good. All right. Have a look at question 8. Volume equals length multiplied by width multiplied by height. Volume therefore is x plus 5 by x plus 3 by x plus 2 in any order you want. Multiply 2 of them at a time. So I'll multiply 2 of these by each other. X squared plus 3x plus 5x plus 15. X squared plus 8x plus 15. Now I got to multiply that by x plus 2 as well. So multiply it out. X times x plus 2 is x cubed plus 2x squared. No worries, don't worry. Okay, x cubed plus 2x squared. Then 8x squared plus 16x plus 15x plus 30. Then you get x cubed plus 10x squared plus 31x plus 30. Did anybody get that? Now, have I answered my question yet? I have to figure out what A, B, and C and D are. A is 1, B is 10, C is 31, and D is 30. Is that okay with you guys? All right. Now, try and figure out the second one now. You got to do the surface area. Okay? Surface area. Yep. Okay. Next thing is you have a box and you need to get the surface area. Okay. Now the surface area is done like this. You have a couple of rectangles. You have the front rectangle, you have the side rectangle, and then you have the top or the bottom rectangle. Now, what's the length of the top rectangle? X plus 5 and that's the blue one up here. Everybody see that? Okay. What about the red one to the side? X plus 2 and? Awesome. And finally, the green one at the front. X plus 5 and? How many sides are there in a rectangular box? How many sides are there? How many sides in the dice? 6. So when you get the area for each one, add them all together and double the answer because you've only got 3 sides you want, 6 sides. So what you guys are doing now is you guys are going to do x plus 5 by x plus 2. Then you're doing x plus 5, x plus 3. And then you're doing x plus 3, x plus 2. Add them all together, double the answer, multiply, then add them all together, and then double your answer. Is that all right? Should work out all right. I'll give you the... So, for this one, you should get x squared plus 7x plus 10. For the next one, you should get x squared plus 8x plus 15. For this one, you should get x squared plus 5x plus 6. Add them all together to get 3x squared plus 20x plus 31. This is only 3 sides, so you have to multiply all that by 2. You should get 6x squared plus 40x plus 62. We all good? Yes. Does it say open box? Closed box? Even though it looks open, it's closed. But fair play to you for even being aware to look for that, because they do that. Anybody get it? All right, Grant. Won't worry about this one. Let's move on. All right, this one, guys, go on. Last one today. So when you multiply this out, this is the homework for tonight. You multiply this out, you get x cubed plus bx squared plus cx minus 2x squared minus 2bx minus 2c equals 1x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. Color code them. Bx, oh, wrong color. Bx squared minus 2x squared must equal 2. Everybody get that one? So what does that mean? B minus 2 equals 2. This implies B equals 4. Go for another color now. Cx minus 2bx must equal minus 5. So what formula does that mean? It means C minus 2b equals minus 5. And we already know what b is, don't we? 4. C minus 8 equals minus 5. C must equal plus 3. Is that all we needed? Yeah, that's all we need. We're done.